Hai.
Hai.
Kok gaya lu aneh banget?
Hah? Emang gak boleh?
Balik lagi bersama gua dan Fawas. Kita main To The Moon lagi. Udah sampai mana nih, Le?
Hah?
Udah sampai mana?
Udah sampai kejadian dimana si Johnny tuh galau. Dia harus lanjutin rumah atau bayar pengobatan si River. Iya betul.
Nah, sampai saat itu kita udahan terus kita lanjut lagi sekarang main. Tidak, penjelasannya sangat informatif bukan teman-teman? Ya udah sekarang kita lanjut aja.
Lanjut aja ya.
Lanjut aja. Nah, ini terakhir kali tuh kita dapat memento yang pickle olive. Katanya ini makanan kesukaannya Johnny. Langsung aktif aja.
Ya oke, biar lanjut ke kenangan sebelumnya. Oh, geser sih.
Iya, geser. Gue ya. So, you guys all really going for it, huh? Yep. Oh, gue aja yang baca. Yep, the construction starting in just a few months. It's a bit of a squeeze. We had to split the payment, but with financing, we'll make do.
How wonderful having your dream house built at such a beautiful site.
Oh, ini ceritanya hari sebelum si rumahnya belum jadi ya?
Nggak harus hari sih, tapi bisa beberapa
Saat
waktu.
Oh ya, saat dimana rumahnya tuh belum dibikin.
Iya, ini mereka baru punya rencana gitu. You had
your weddings at the lighthouse near there all those years ago, didn't you? That's not all that's special about it. We have a long history with that place. Well, it's good to have some good news at a get-together for once. Cheers and congratulations you two. Ini Nicholas sama Isabel tuh siapa sih?
Nicholas tuh teman kecil si Johnny.
Isabel itu keponakan apa? Tante?
Bukan, so gue istrinya Nicholas.
Oh. Hey, cheers.
Tapi itu harusnya emang nanti nggak sih?
Ya kan seenggaknya mereka, kalian tahu lah, bakal tahu awal-awal.
Intinya sih temen lah, intinya temen gitu.
Be right back. I'm gonna get some fresh air.
Me too. Gimana soundtracknya sih?
Soundtrack yang ini enak sih, sangat menggugah untuk dinikmati.
Well buddy, it's sure been a while,
hasn't it? Who knew how hard it is to get across a few cities nowadays?
That river still so quiet, huh?
She's actually been talkative at home and with Isabel. I guess she's just not used to you.
Haha, so I am the bad guy here, huh? Oh hey, so did you tell River that thing from back then?
I did.
So how did she take it?
For the most part, she took it well. But something bugs me. Ever since the incident, she's been making these strange rabbits out of paper.
Origami rabbits?
Yes, lots of them.
Hah, I used to fold origami animals for my daughter all the time. What's wrong with that?
I don't think it's the same thing. She's been doing nothing but making the same rabbits day in and day out. Our house is literally filled with them now.
Didn't Isabel say that something like that is a common trait with reverse condition?
Yes, but something doesn't feel right this time. When I ask her about it, she never answers. Instead, she gets this distant look in her eyes. It's almost as if she wants something from me. And the strange thing is, I feel like there's something I owe her too.
Have you asked Isabel?
Yes, she said she talked to her about it, but got nothing.
Well, I'm certainly not one to inquire, but I'll tell you this. I've known you since middle school and you're notorious for overthinking. Ini kesel juga parahnya ya. You're probably just imagining things. There's no need to get too worked up.
Usually, when someone says that, something's always wrong. But I'll give you the benefit of doubt. You're probably right.
Probably, I'm always right, John.
Mungkin itulah kenapa River nggak mau ngomong sama Nicholas.
malah Nicholas ya gitu ya.
Wait, so even he himself never knew what was up with those rabbits?
Forget about the stupid rabbits. We have got bigger problems. It's a confined memory, and there are no mementos anywhere.
Don't worry, we can probably draw one out from him.
How?
Maksudnya bikin memori dari si Johnny.
Bukan bikin tapi kayak digali gitu, ditarik.
Leave it to me. I just gotta give the bartender a quick visit first. Jadi perbincangan mereka berdua tuh Nicholas sama gue nggak tahu nih si the thing-nya itu tuh apa. Ntar dikasih tahu ya.
Nanti.
The thing yang bikin sesuatu yang bikin si River bikin kelinci gitu kan?
Iya, kelinci Odimgami itu ada sesuatu yang men-triggernya.
Jadi inti dari pembicaraan itu gitu teman-teman.
Hey there, could I get you anything?
Hey yo, could I get a bottle of pickled olive please?
Sure, cash or credit?
Check.
I'm sorry, we don't take checks.
Oh, just put it on my tab then.
Wait, does that mean you don't have any money?
You're so getting reset. Hey there.
Hey there, could I get you anything?
Jadi di reset lagi sama Dr. Watts biar pembicaraannya diulang terus
Bisa tercapai lah ya.
Tercapai lah pickle olive-nya. Hello, could I get a bottle of pickled olive please?
Sure, cash or credit?
Just put it on my tab. I feel like spending big today.
Oh, thank you, sir. Here are your pickled olives.
Thanks, bro. You'll be getting an enormous amount of tips today.
Thank you, sir.
You're such an ass, Neil. Oh, I loosen up. Wait, dapet.
Jadi kalau yang si Rosalind kan masih yang tembus pandang, nggak bisa dilihat sama si Johnny pun siapa termasuk Nicholas. Sementara si Watts dia udah pakai mode yang bisa interaksi. Jadi makanya sekarang
dilihat. Why? Is that a bottle of pickled olive you're sporting? Yeah, are you a fellow olive lover? Indeed I am. Just got a fresh bottle of them myself, in fact. Mind if I join you? Sure, why don't you grab a seat? We'll down a bottle together. Oh yeah, that sounds just swell. Eva, set the taste simulation now.
Oh Neil, I don't think I feel like it.
So gonna you back for this. So that's how we got our first toaster. You okay there? Yes, I'm just savoring the amazingness of pickled olive. Dr. Watts-nya nggak suka teman-teman. They're wonderful.
Itu harus dijelasin.
Yeah, I just can't understand how anyone could find such things to be disgusting. Take your time. We've got 2 bottles left.
Nani.
So I said, hey, that's not right. And they totally agreed. And you know what else is wrong with society today? Yeah, I actually have it right there. Right here. Why? May I see it? Okay. Here it is. And freeze. Finally. Dear Lord.
How were the olives, Neil?
Oh, shut your mouth. Ini apa nih ceritanya?
Hah? Apa ya?
Memento detected.
Kayak semacam surat
Wait.
itu. Wait, don't you dare.
Don't worry, she is. See, I'm doing it by the books. Hulk smash!
Neil, seriously? I'm trying to get into this and you are ruining the mood.
Totally worth it. Prepare. Diagonal, nggak usah diagonal.
Enggak usah. Oh kayaknya ini nih, ini tentang ya surat tentang ini deh, tentang apa sih? Mercusuar deh.
Surat
Iya surat mercusuar.
Surat tentang mercusuar.
Iya. Kayaknya sih. Coba ya.
Activate.
Nah, iya kan?
Apa emang tulisannya?
Ini awal-awal di mana mercusuar tuh ini ditutup untuk
Konstruksi.
digunakan.
Atau
Bukan.
nggak digunain lagi?
Nggak digunain lagi. Ya, makanya kan tuh jendelanya ditutup-tutup tuh.
Oh. Waduh, di atas dong. Creaky nutcrackers.
You are Australian.
Who cares? We're like 20 billion nanometers off the ground and standing on a damn flagpole.
Just jump down. It's not like you can be hurt here.
Are you kidding me? It's a freaking skydive. You can stay on here. You can get off. God, I had it when this happened. I swear if this... Hey, you know what the freak?
Wuss. Why would they abandon her like this?
I suppose this is no longer needed.
No longer needed?
By ships, I mean. You know how it is? Know that everything has GPS and all that? Look, River. This place means a lot to me too. And I've been thinking, in our current state, things have been pretty stable. If we save well, in a few years, we could afford to build a house on top of here. It's going to be
We will be able to see her from the window. In the morning, at night, we will always be nearby. And we could walk here at any time. She will never be alone again, John. I'll be able to watch over her every day.
Yeah, we will. Kok mercusuarnya dibilang her?
Good for them. Ya sama kayak ini sih, sama kayak lu manggil kucing.
Apa
kan?
itu yang namanya Anya?
Hah?
Apa itu yang namanya Anya?
Ya.
You're gonna be kidding me. You remember what happens, don't you? It's like watching a train wreck.
The ending isn't any more important than any of the moments leading to it. the important thing is that over here they are happy. Terus kayak ini tuh, let's move on. Terus kayak kucing kan kadang kita panggil juga
Panggil namanya.
she, ya apa? Iya kan?
Pakai nama laki-laki perempuan nih.
Iya. Malah kan
Coba
salah bahasa kan.
Ini Anya. Someone John and River care for. Berarti ini Anya ya.
Iya.
Paper Rabbit, Johnny favorite. Objective the
Itu kan
moon.
iya kalau kucing kan kalau bahasa harusnya pakai it kan, jadi it dipakai it lah, jadi pakai benda lah.
Wait a minute. They were referring to the lighthouse as Anya, weren't they?
I suppose so.
Then that river, she declined treatment for the sake of the lighthouse? Isn't that a bit too extreme?
I've seen stranger things in the course of the job.
Me too, but I can never wrap my head around it.
It's none of our business anyway. She's not our client.
Terus she Anya.
Iya, baru berubah.
Baru kelihatan ininya ya.
Apanya?
Oh iya, this abandoned lighthouse by the cliffside. Oh, description udah diganti ya.
Iya, ganti.
Yang tadinya yang
Someone, iya,
dipeduliin sama, kirain sama, ternyata something. Apa tadi si Dr. Watts bilang apa? Dia si River tuh
Terlalu ekstrim.
ngorbanin biaya pengobatan dia buat
Lighthouse
Lighthouse.
itu ya.
iya.
Itu tuh.
Ekstrim. Ini kejar.
Iya.
Gue nungguin naik kudanya doang lah. Wah, ini dia nih, kelinci. Kayaknya itu di TikTok. Women, prepare. Diagonal dulu. Ini kenapa sih?
Hah? Kayaknya emosinya di situ nih. Iya. Jadi gampang kan?
Hadouken. Oh, ini lebih muda lagi. Kita lihat di mana sekarang. Di sini. River. Kita susul. Ini rumahnya bukan di ini ya? Ini rumahnya udah jadi.
Belum, ini masih rumah lamanya.
Rumah ramanya di mana? Gak dikasih tahu.
Iya, nggak dikasih tahu.
The freak. Oh, ini ya yang pas di omongannya si itu ya.
Hah? Oh iya iya.
Pembicaraannya si Nicola sama John pas waktu itu kan. Oh, ini kita bakal tahu the thing-nya itu ya.
Setelah ini.
Oh.
Ini kan pas udah mulai kan.
Oh, udah mulai ininya ya.
Udah mulai,
Yang a
ini-
bit strange-nya itu
Iya,
ya.
ada kejadian mulai bikin apa Paper Origami Rabbits. Nah, ini kan nanti kita cari tahu yang
The thing.
men-trigger ini kan. Gitu.
You went out for a haircut this early in the morning. What are you making there?
Rabbits. Did you see the rabbit I left for you?
Yeah.
Tell me about that rabbit.
Huh?
Describe the rabbit.
It was yellow,
What else?
a bit puffy.
And
Look, River. Well, it's just a pet rabbit. I don't know how else to describe it.
keep making paper rabbits.
You're strange, River. Is something wrong? River? I don't know about you, but I'm getting some inverse deja vu.
I think I know of her condition, but this is rather odd even for that.
You think she's...
Do you?
Perhaps? Who knows? Apa maksudnya gila?
Hah?
Maksudnya gila?
Gak tahu sih, emang kalau di game ini suka gitu, suka
Bikin asumsi.
enggak, mereka ngobrol tapi dirahasiakan kita juga gitu.
Kita jadi nggak tahu maksud mereka apa yang mereka
Iya,
pikirin.
mereka berasumsi apa gitu kan. Tapi nggak tahu kalau mereka juga nyampe satu sama lain.
But like you say, she's not our client. Let's just get what we've paid for over it. Coba kita lihat. Ini apa?
Kelinci.
Wah, ini memento.
So this is the day she started it, huh?
Kok gue udah dapat satu itu ya? Bolanya.
Kan bisa penjajahan. Ini long strands of orange hair. Dan dia motong rambut.
Oh, dia udah kanker. Oh, gitu.
Kanker kok kan?
Kan kanker rambutnya ini loss, hair loss.
Enggak, dia bukan. Dia motong ini. How the heck did they move this thing upstairs?
Who knows? But I bet it'd be a piece of cake for the TARDIS. Kalau TARDIS, TARDIS itu yang di Doctor Who.
Seriusan?
Mm-mm.
Oh, not really. You can't even get it through its door.
Nggak tahu juga, dia lupa. True. Well, that settled it. Moving pianos is a pain in the arse for everybody. It'll probably take an entire episode to get it inside.
I wouldn't mind seeing such an episode.
Me neither. It sounds pretty epic.
Itu kardus.
Oh, waktu si
Kardus bisa.
A new box of plain paper. I think I know where this is going.
Oh, itu sebelum masuk ruangan.
Itu waktu si River sakit tuh rumahnya masih pakai rumah yang lama ya?
Masih, kan belum jadi rumah yang itu. Kan justru udah jadi karena si
River meninggal.
iya, karena biayanya kan jadinya bukan buat obat, tapi malah buat bangun rumah.
Pas rumahnya udah jadi, River udah keburu mati gitu.
Kebalik kan meninggal dulu.
Oh, Rivernya meninggal dulu, baru rumahnya jadi.
Iya,
Baru uangnya dipakai buat rumah.
Iya, kan pas itu kan si River bilang ke Johnny kalau misalkan pokoknya uang ini nggak mau saya pakai buat pengobatan ini. Terserah nanti kedepannya buat apa duitnya. Tapi kalau mau ikutin harapan saya ya lanjutin pembangunan itu gitu loh.
Oh gitu.
Oke, lanjutin sama si Johnny. Makanya jadi rumah di atas tebing itu.
Di dekat lighthouse. Tapi akhirnya dipakai sama pembantunya ya. Pembantunya enak banget. Gratis loh. Baby. Platypus lagi. Ini Platypus tuh kesukaannya si River ya?
Iya. Ini apa ya? Malam-malam.
Coba hampiri.
Nggak bisa ya?
Tidak bisa. Coba kita ke atas.
Oh iya. Ini yang nge-trigger itu tadi.
Ini langsung ketahuan kan tanpa kita mesti mikir.
Maksudnya?
Kan kayak ada pembahasan-pembahasan yang bikin kita mikir. Kayak tadi tuh asumsi si karakternya kita mesti mikirin juga. Di sini eksplisit kan, nggak implisit.
Kayaknya masih ada yang disembunyikan. Pintar, coba nyalain lagi deh. This is where the house used to be, isn't it?
The house that never should have been. I mean, really, what is it? What is it about unusually high and dangerous place that attract people? Acrophobia.
Acrophobia.
Oh, tiba-tiba ada acrophobia.
Itu ini apa? Ketakutan akan ketinggian.
Something that Johnny and River apparently didn't have.
Takut akan ketinggian kan mereka nggak punya karena mau tinggal di tempat tinggi.
Ini ke atas atau ke kiri? Sama aja.
Aja.
Ini nggak bisa lari.
Enggak.
Mau jalan. Oh, ini waktu lighthouse-nya masih kepake ya?
Masih tuh kan, masih ada lampu yang nyala.
Oh iya.
Is that why you approached me back then?
Yeah.
What about now?
I suppose it's just a part of it. Look, it was a long time ago. It's not relevant now. But easy said, I should tell you the truth.
Di situ panggilan Isabel. Jadi orang yang sama.
I shouldn't have tainted our first meeting like that. What is that? A hacky sack? Can you throw this as far as where's Anya at? Oh, orang baca ya. I don't know. You want me to try?
Will you?
Ah, gua baru ngerti anjir.
Jadi spoiler. Baca dong.
Are you insane? Get away from there. Ah, rivernya nggak rela anjir.
Tapi emang apa? Kalau secara gamblang kan emang iya apa? Dia kayak ngode kan, tapi malah dilempar beneran kan. I think this memory isn't too far from the last.
Think they may be connected?
Probably.
Ah, freak man. Why? Why did she cut her hair anyway? I like long hair. Gue tuh gak ngerti karena ini cuman baca bahasa Inggrisnya doang. Sama ini kan kalau misalnya udah ini nih udah pas udah ke memori selanjutnya, gue udah lupa.
Oh.
Jadinya gue nggak. Ah, ntar kalian bakal tahu teman-teman.
Mementonya di tempat tadi soalnya.
Oh, mementonya.
Nah,
Udah ke atas.
biar nggak usah inilah nggak usah.
Tapi ini gue ngertinya sedikit, gue ingatnya sedikit kok. Nggak kayak tahu banget maksudnya apa, seberapa penting. Mana? Nggak ada. Di mana?
Kayaknya tas deh. Tas. Itu tas lewat. Itu tas hijau.
Oh, tas. Gue kira ini rumput.
Lah itu nggak bisa itu ya?
Nggak bisa, no.
Oh. Coba turun.
Oh, bisa.
Oke.
Prepare. Mendingan ini ya. Mendingan 2 ini ya. Baru 3 ini.
Kalau gua tuh 5 dong, jadi kan idealnya 4.
1, 2, 3. Apa ini aja pakai diagonal?
Ya. Enggak jangan diagonal.
Hah?
Jangan diagonal. Jangan diagonal.
Kalau ini di sini aja ya berarti. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ini nih.
Gitu ya bisa diinjek. Hmm.
Shoot.
Everyone with it is different, John. Just because she and I share the syndrome doesn't mean we share the same head.
Oh, si River tuh sakit. Sindrom.
Ya ada sindrom itu.
But you must be able to help somehow. Everything was okay at first, but now she's even more aloof than before. Even when we're in the same room, she's never really there. It's starting to take a toll on me. I just don't know how to take it anymore.
Well, I can't speak for her, but many of us do long for connections. Though, being able to articulate it is a different story. Just because she struggles to express it, it doesn't mean she doesn't feel anything. She's still there, right? Sometimes you just have to have faith that she cares.
That's pretty difficult to do day in and day out.
I know. Wait, but why do you seem so normal, Izzy? I mean, don't you have the same condition? For one, I was diagnosed when I was still young. With effort, it's not impossible to acquire a guise of social norms systematically. But you know what? I both envy and pity River. Me, I'm an actress because I've been doing it all my life. Not only on stage, but off stage, and at practically every moment. I've gotten good at it because acting is the only option I have. It's the only way for me to be normal.
Oh, berarti dia acting. Isabel tuh dia acting.
Ya dia menerapkan acting di kehidupan sehari-hari gitu.
Biar dia bisa ngobrol dengan normal kan?
Iya.
Berarti dia acting dong. Berarti dia lagi acting sekarang. Biar bisa ngobrol, bisa ngomong.
Iya, boleh anggap aja begitulah.
Biar bisa ngomong bisa ngomong bener.
But River, she never did that. She remained an outcast and refused to learn to step against it. I don't know if it was by choice or by limit, whether bravery or cowardice. There are days when I just can't stand faking it anymore. And then I realized that it's too late. The Isabel that people know of is all an act, and the real me has long become a stranger.
Iya, berarti dia acting.
I think in the end, I just envy her.
Huh. I never met a woman with it before.
Then technically, you still haven't met one. This isn't a part of our business. Let's move.
Yang bisa gue pahamin dari omongannya si Isabel tuh kayak lu pernah gak sih ngelakuin lu berperilaku hal yang bukan diri lu sebelumnya? Kayak lu tuh
Iya.
lu tuh mencoba jadi orang lain gitu, mencoba jadi pikiran orang lain gitu. Nah, tapi lu lakuin itu setiap hari, setiap waktu gitu. Sehingga jati diri lo yang sebenarnya tuh udah hilang gitu, jadi orang asing. Yang tadinya lo misalnya orangnya pendiam, terus A B C D gitu, terus habis itu lo jadi orangnya yang ceria, yang apa-apa. Sebenarnya lo bukan orang yang kayak gitu, tapi lo terus ituin setiap hari dan akhirnya jati diri lo yang sebenarnya tuh kayak lo pendiam, lo tidak suka keramaian dan bla 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 gitu, jadi hilang.
Iya.
Kayaknya gue ngerti nih maksudnya si Isabel rasanya. Gimana, kenapa dia bisa envy sama
Pity
iya. Sama
River. Karena kan kalau River dia kan jadi diri sendiri tetap.
Aku nggak bisa naik.
Itu ada Johnny.
ini masih lanjut.
Kayaknya yang nunggu berhenti dulu kali. Ya itu coba.
Anything new today?
No.
What are you reading there?
The Emperor's New Clothes. I loved this when I was young.
Still do, huh?
Of course. Just for different reasons.
When I was a kid, I loved the Animorph series.
I know. Your mother gave you a book from it as a wedding present.
Yeah, that was one odd wedding present. I guess I was pretty obsessed with it when I was a kid.
Why haven't you read them since?
Hmm?
I saw them. They are collecting dust in the garage.
Well, I just grew out of them, I guess. I mean, they're children books.
What's wrong with reading children's books? They are comforting.
I suppose so.
Nih kalau lo ada buku yang lo suka lagi kecil, lo mau sekarang mau baca lagi nggak?
Kalau misalnya gua lagi nyari-nyari buku gitu, sebetulnya ketemu nih bukunya, gue baca lagi.
Iya. I think I'm going to get this one. Ini sebentar Joni.
Sementara Joni udah nggak baca lagi. I'm not yours, you're not mine. Be my Auntie Valentine. Hey River, this one's not the corny. Not that corny. River? Apa nih? River sudah tidak peduli.
But what about David's? He's my favorite character.
I don't know. What are you talking about? Animorph? Have you read it?
No.
Yes.
Really?
Sort of.
Oh, do you know what animal is David's main morph?
Ini ada ininya nggak?
Hah?
Easter egg-nya gitu nggak? Kayak
Nggak
kita
tahu.
mesti apa kita bisa sembarang ngasih nama?
Kalau sembarang salah kayak. Coba aja. Mumpung lo belum tahu juga.
Namanya. Asal banget ya.
Iya, apaan?
That doesn't mean
That
sound.
doesn't sound right.
Kayaknya ada deh bukunya deh.
Apaan?
Kayak buku yang kita baca terus pas tahu tokohnya ini bisa jadi.
Oh.
Jadi ada buku-buku kan kita kan biasanya suka ada baca-bacaan gitu tuh. Nah mungkin di salah satu bacaannya tuh bisa ngejawab ini dengan benar. Tapi lu nggak pernah jawab ini benar ya? Coba lah main lagi lah sampai benar.
Nggak terlalu paham sih sebenarnya, maksudnya emang easter egg aja gitu.
Mungkin bisa buncin.
Keingetan. Tobias Hulk, Rachel Grizzly, Jake Tiger, Marco Gorilla, David Cobra, Casey Wolf. Why?
Oh, just wondering.
You could have just Googled.
Kenapa sih itu?
Hah?
Kenapa?
Apaan?
Itu kenapa? Si River
Tadi ini nyebutin hewan-hewannya.
Terus apa yang dipertanyakan?
Tadi kan yang sebelumnya kita ditanya si David jadi apa? Nggak ingat lagi lo.
Oh, ini ya. Cobra.
Iya, Cobra.
Kata lu nggak pernah benar.
Apaan?
Tadi.
Bukan, maksudnya kan kalau tadi kan lu belum tahu ceritanya.
Oh iya, a cobra.
I really wish they kept the old covers instead of these plain sheets. Those were cool.
Satu lagi mana nih? Ini.
Tadi kan udah itu.
Oh, udah.
Mana ya?
Ini. Tahu gue sih.
Itu yang tadi. Itu bisa masuk gak di pintu itu? Nggak bisa.
Nggak bisa.
Buku Kali buku itu buku yang di deket Joni, yang Joni yang deket river.
Bukunya mana?
Itu buku.
Yang hijau.
Bukan yang satunya. Nah, oh itu.
Satu lagi mana? Kan belum nemu satu lagi.
Oh belum ya. Ini kali Nicholas atau tasnya.
Nicholas Saputra.
Tas? Enggak. Mana ya? Coba mana ya? Karakter yang ini nih invisible atau
Ini udah.
yang karakter invisible atau itu coba buku-buku yang di bacaan itu ya. The world would be a lot more beautiful if people just remembered faces anymore.
Nah, itu di situ.
Iya maksudnya.
Kayaknya di mana-mana ada, yang penting di toko buku gitu deh, di rak buku.
Oh iya. Tapi itu sebenarnya kan ngomongin ini kan orang-orang yang gali ya apa yang bening. Joni ingat ada orang di situ tapi nggak inget siapa dia, mukanya gimana.
Ini mau udahan atau masih lanjut?
Habis memento aja.
Habis memento.
Iya.
Waduh, ini nggak ada yang ini, yang ada di sini, nggak ada sana.
Nggak ada.
Udah begini aja deh. 2, 4 pas.
Ya udah.
Oke, guys, kita sampai di sini dulu videonya. Kita udah sampai, kita tahu apa yang nge-trigger River untuk membuat origami. Entah kenapa seknya itu tuh, Hivi, sek yang kecil itu
Kisek itu.
yang ngebuat River melakukan apa ya, origami itu. Tapi Hivi seknya itu apa sebenarnya?
Kisek.
Heki sek itu apa artinya buat River? Jangan kemana-mana. Tunggu di video kita selanjutnya. Lo ada yang mau ngomongin lagi?
Kayak ya, mungkin untuk yang penjelasan Kisek kayaknya emang harus lebih sabar dulu sih. Karena emang masih apa ya? Karena itu emang salah satu apa sih istilahnya, inti cerita apa sih, barang pentingnya penting dicerita gitu loh.
Barang penting dicerita. Jadi kalau misalnya kita kasih sekarang, ya sama aja kalian tidak akan menikmati ceritanya.
Iya,
walaupun
betul
kita sudah tahu. Oke, sampai di sini dulu video kita kali ini. Sampai ketemu lagi.
Dadah.
Dah.